from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our updated chrome detailed 1999 through 2002 Chevy Silverado and Sierra pickup truck tow mirror. This tow mirror is designed to be manual folding, manual extending, and features the same base plate, 3-pin mounting locations, and OE connector as your vehicle for easy installation. In addition, this tow mirror also features a small convex lens, a clearance light, an integrated LED turn signal, and a large upper adjusted power mirror with power heating. With both mirrors having a combined length of 12 inches by 9 inches and an overall length of 17 inches when closed, once extended it reaches up to 20 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. This tow mirror is designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle